How many testicles do leeches have? Leeches are hermaphroditic, so they have both male and female organs. They have female reproductive organs which include ovaries and oviducts. And they have 9 pairs of testicles. This allows them to produce sperm in large quantities, so that they can reproduce many babies. They reproduce offspring by exchanging sperm with another leech. The sperm then travels through the body to fertilize eggs. After mating, they lay cocoons with the fertilized eggs attached. How long can leeches go without feeding? They feed on blood which is held in the pouches of their 10 stomachs. It can store the blood in its stomach for a long time. Special bacteria in its gut help break down the blood slowly. This allows them to hold and digest large quantities of blood. So they can go for months without the need to feed again. Leeches have 32 clusters of nerve cells, 1 in each body of their segments. So that means they have 32 brains. How many teeth do leeches have? They have hundreds of teeth and use them to suck the blood from people and other animals. These sharp teeth are arranged in rows so that they can pierce the skin of their prey. Once this is done, then the leech can slice through the flesh to create a small wound. Then they can extract as much blood as they like. When a leech attaches to its host, it releases special chemicals to make feeding easy and painless. One of these chemicals is hirudin, which stops the blood from clotting. This allows the leech to keep drinking without interruption. While this helps the leech feed, it also has medical uses. Hirudin is used in surgeries and wound healing to keep blood flowing. How do they manage to attach themselves to their host? Leeches use muscular suckers located at both ends of their bodies. At the rear of its body, the sucker is used to attach securely to their hosts. At the front end of their body is their mouth, which is used to attach themselves to the host and feed. They are highly sensitive to light and temperature. They can survive in both freshwater and saltwater. In some cultures, leeches are considered a delicacy, and they are eaten either raw or cooked. Leeches grow by molting, shedding their outer layer as they increase in size. They can range from 1 inch to 18 inches long, depending on the species. There are over 700 known species of leeches, with many living in freshwater environments. They can survive for months without feeding, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Leeches can be carnivorous, eating small invertebrates, or parasitic, feeding on the blood of larger animals like fish and mammals. They don't have fully developed eyes like other animals. They rely on other senses to get about. Leeches move by contracting and extending their bodies in a wave-like motion, using their front and rear suckers in unison. If they are cut in half, both halves can regenerate into full leeches. Most leeches can live for several years, with some species surviving up to 6 years in the wild. If they lose part of their body, they can regenerate the lost tissue, including vital organs. They use chemicals in the water and vibrations to sense when a host is nearby, then swim toward it or latch onto it. The European medicinal leech is commonly used in modern medicine for therapeutic purposes. The giant Amazon leech, Haemonteria gilliani, can grow up to 18 inches long and is found in the Amazon River basin. Once it feeds, it can become very bloated, then it may go for weeks or months without feeding again. They are preyed upon by birds, fish, amphibians, and some insects. So this tiny creature is an annelid worm with 32 brains, 10 stomachs, hundreds of teeth and 9 pairs of testicles. For more facts about animals, click on the subscribe button.